Welcome back to Style with K. If you're planning a haircut this year, you don't want to miss this video. Today, we're talking about the top 5 men's hairstyles of 2025. Men's hairstyles in 2025 are all about fresh fades, bold textures, and natural flow. Some cuts are super low maintenance, while others let you show off your personality with volume, layers, and even curls. So I'll break down how to get them, what lengths you need, and which face shapes they suit best. Let's jump right in. 1. The buzz cut. A timeless classic that never goes out of style. For this cut, your barber will use a clipper guard between number 1 and number 4 all over the head. You can also add a skin fade on the sides to give it a sharper edge. The buzz cut looks best on oval, square, or diamond-shaped faces because it highlights strong jawlines. It's super low maintenance, just wash and go. 2. Undercut with long fringe. This one's bold and stylish. The sides are clipped down to a skin fade or number 1 guard, while the top is kept 3 to 6 inches long. The fringe can hang down to your eyebrows or be styled sideways for a clean look. It works best on round or square faces, because the fringe adds length and balances the proportions. Perfect for guys who like experimenting with different styles. 3. Modern mullet. Yes, the mullet is back, but in a fresh new way. Here's how it's done. The front and top are kept 2 to 4 inches, the sides are tapered or faded short, and the back is grown out 3 to 6 inches with layers. The modern mullet looks great on oval, square, and oblong faces, and gives a trendy, retro vibe without being too extreme. It's bold, stylish, and definitely makes a statement. 4. Broccoli haircut. This one is especially popular among Gen Z. The sides are faded down to a #0.5 to #1.5 guard, while the top is left 3 to 5 inches long. The twist? The top is often permed to get that curly, voluminous look. It suits oval, heart, and long face shapes, because the curls add balance and texture. If you've got natural curls, this cut is a winner. If not, a perm can help you achieve it. 5. Long and layered, the bro flow. This style is all about patience. The hair is grown out to 6 to 10 inches, with natural layers that flow backward. It's not clipped short on the sides, just shaped slightly shorter than the top for movement. This cut suits oval, diamond, and rectangle face shapes best, and gives off that relaxed, effortless vibe. It works amazingly well with wavy or straight hair that has natural flow. And there you have it, the top 5 men's hairstyles trending in 2025. From clean and sharp cuts like the buzz, to bold and stylish ones like the modern mullet and broccoli cut, there's something here for every face shape and style. Which one are you trying next? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more style tips on Style with K.